We got a chicken quesadilla. The dog is jealous, but it looks good. We also got a red velvet cake. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, I forgot about the fries. They was okay. The quesadilla was okay. I'm just gonna say it was a little dry. Definitely needed some sauce on there. Had to put that sauce on there to make it a little bit better. You already know. I thought they forgot to give me cheese with my quesadilla, but it turns out it was in the middle of the flour. That was different. Overall, it was okay. Now this cake was nice, soft, moist, very sweet, and that icing hit the spot.